Guys, here's a super cool die-cast car from Maisto. This has actually been discontinued for quite some time. This is the 2010 Chevy Camaro RS SS in dark blue. What I've done is I've replaced the wheels, black wheels. I've also turned into a unmarked police unit. But before that, as you see, it features opening trunk. The 9-volt batteries for the lights is hidden in trunks for easy replacement. Opening front doors, detailed interior, detailed the engine. The on and off switch for the lights is right here. You saw where the 9-volt battery goes, easy to replace. So you have the flashing headlights, amber lights, solid amber lights on the inside, solid bright fog lights, red blue police lamp on the visor. Like I said, it's an unmarked unit, so you won't be able to tell you it's a police vehicle until he turns the lights on. On the rear deck, you have again the one red blue flashing light and solid tail lights on the back. This is the first of its kind. I don't know if I'll do another one. I just decided to turn this one to an unmarked unit as I thought it was super cool looking. It'll be up on eBay. eBay name is 6877 Mercedes. Please ask all questions before you bid. It does come with its box, so packed for safe delivery. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Take care.